This is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off this dark theme on your Android phone and just turn on the light one. Now it could be on based off of the time of day and it just switches to dark mode at night. So swipe on down from the top right, go to settings. Now this is going to be located under display and touch. And then we can go to it and we should be able to see dark theme right here. Oh, that's too bright. Now, for some reason, I like dark theme on my Google Pixel phone, but on my Samsung phone, I really dislike it. Can't explain why. Both Android. Now, swipe on down from the top right, go to settings. This is going to be a little bit different on my Samsung phone. So you can see light and dark mode right here. And you can see dark mode settings beneath it. We can turn it on a schedule, so during the evening it will be a different mode. So it says to schedule dark mode, turn this on. So just look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.